Hey guys, it's Miss Tarkington. I wanted to read Handout 1B, the Fluency homework, so that you could listen to me again and hear me read it to you as you practice your homework every night. So you know that it is in Schoology and it's in this week's folder. And so I've got it right there. So let me go ahead and open it up for you. So when you see it, this is the part that you're going to be practicing 3 to 5 times. See how great you can get in not just reading it fast, but reading it correctly. Here's what it says. Who could imagine that the fabric binding America to Great Britain was about to unravel, or that the two Georges were about to become bitter enemies? Who could guess that George III would be the last king of America and that George Washington would one day become its first president? Neither George Washington nor King George III was fully responsible for everything that happened next. Many other thinkers, soldiers, and politicians helped to shape the future. Even so, as leaders of the two sides, these two Georges were to become the strongest symbols of their countries during the next 20 years. The different ideas they stood for would soon turn the whole world upside down. All right, guys, practice every night.